At the last Lenovo Talks episode, we have spoken about Lenovo AURA Edition, what features it brings to the user. So today let's get back to the devices. Which devices at Lenovo we can currently count as AURA Edition?
At the time we speak, we have 4 devices in the ThinkPad lineup that we can call AURA Edition. They have AURA Edition features. All of them are senior management or CEO level devices. So it is X1 Carbon, 13th generation, X1 2-in-1, 10th generation, and also we are bringing something new. I'm very excited to introduce the X9 product family to ThinkPad lineup. 14-inch and 15-inch devices, I believe, will bring additional customers to our partners and Lenovo.
If X1 series are super well known in the industry, they are quite standard, conservative looking ThinkPad. So X9 series is something like a totally fresh wave to the lineup of the ThinkPads. ThinkPad X9 series, we position it for the managers of the younger generations, for those who were not yet a ThinkPad user, and most important, I would say, those who doesn't have the nostalgic feeling for the red track point. Yes, actually yes, ThinkPad X9 is the first ThinkPad Lenovo has ever built for commercial use without the track point. Let's speak in details about the ThinkPad X9 14 and 15-inch. First of all, this is the thinnest ThinkPad we have. On its slimmer part is just 6.7 millimeters. Both X9 devices are made from really sustainable materials. So those are full aluminum, and at least 50% of all aluminum is being recycled. Recycled aluminum A, C, D covers make it super sustainable. At the same time, aluminum is really durable. So whenever you are holding it in your hands, you really feel the value of what you are paying for. 14-inch device weighs just 1.2 kilogram, while 15-inch device is bigger one, but it still weighs just 1.4 kilogram, making it one of the lightest, I would say, aluminum device you can buy in 15-inch and above. Actually, the first time we received those 2 devices to our office, we were not believing that this is 15-inch device. On the look, it's so small that you cannot understand it as 15-inch. You can easily count that it's 14. X9 devices are very premium devices, and we are bringing it with high-end specs. So you can have it with OLED, touch or non-touch screens. It comes with 32 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte of storage, but if you want a specific configuration for your needs, we can definitely configure anything you need.
ThinkPad X9 are really the next generation AI PCs. First of all, it comes with Intel Lunar Lake processors that has the NPU chip for artificial intelligence related tasks. The NPUs in those devices are really powerful. They are able to have up to 47 TOPS. This means 47 trillion operations per second. Also, ThinkPad X9 devices can guarantee a full day work without a charge. First of all, it is available due to special Intel architecture with NPU chip, but also 15-inch device comes with a massive battery, 18 watt hours, 80 watt hours, was definitely a huge battery. The 14-inch devices comes with a smaller battery, 55 watt hours, but it also can last all work day without a charge. It is quite standard in the market that if devices are very slim and very light, it's very limited availability of the ports they can have. Usually it's just the USB-C ports. And if you need to connect to the HDMI or some additional USB-A ports, you need to have a dongles. With our ThinkPad X9, we have solved this problem. Lenovo has designed what we call Engine Hub. It holds all the Intel Lunar Lake architecture unique ventilation solutions and all the necessary ports for business user, USB-C, HDMI, and even a regular USB port at 15-inch device. You wouldn't need any dongles with these ultra slim and light devices.
It's worth to mention that X9 series comes with its ecosystem of accessories to the market. So we have Lenovo TWS Earbuds X9 edition. It's designed for work and leisure. It has seamless integration with your X9 device. It has AI-driven features which enhance your meetings, movies, gamings, music. It also equipped with active noise cancellation feature, and you can connect these earbuds to two devices at once. Lenovo multi-device wireless mouse X9 edition. It has silent buttons. You cannot hear anything when it's pressed. It can connect to 3 devices at once. It's rechargeable, sustainable at the same time, and it has this AI NOW button at the side, which automatically wakes AI assistant at your Lenovo device. Lenovo GaN 65 watts adapter. So it represents the new design and architecture of chargers. If you would like to compare this new charger to the regular chargers we used to have, looking like this, so it's at least two times smaller, 2 times lighter. It's much more efficient in terms of electricity usage. And last, we have specifically designed origami shape sleeves for 14 and 15-inch devices. So these sleeves guarantees ergonomic laptop positioning. It has magnetic button to lock the device so it wouldn't fall whenever you carry. And its spill-resistant surface makes it super easy to carry to your meetings, home, or wherever you need.
All right, so let's continue now with our classic devices. And Lenovo this year with X1 is presenting 13th generation X1 Carbon and 10th generation X1 2-in-1. Starting from X1, this year it's breaking the records. Now it is weighing less than 1 kilogram. We couldn't believe it when we received first this notebook, and I encourage everyone to touch and to feel this device. It's really outstanding. It's unique due to the fact that it is built from carbon fiber. It's the lightest and most durable material. What are the other characteristics? So it is the Intel Lunar Lake that has NPU with 47 TOPS. Also the RAM, it comes with 32 gigabytes. That is a very common configuration for the top executives. Also you can have a PCI Gen 5 SSDs up to 2 terabytes. The screen can be OLED 2.8K at 120 Hz refresh rate. And also it can have all the necessary ports. 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 regular USB-C, HDMI, audio, SIM slot, while all the ThinkPad also can support the eSIM functionality.
Speaking about the other X1 series devices, so it's ThinkPad X1 2-in-1 Generation 10. So that's unique due to its chassis, which allows for the user to use the device either in laptop mode or in tablet mode, like I do right now. Yet we do not have the latest 10th generation of X1 2-in-1, but for the viewers, we can show the previous generation device. This is actually my work laptop. So you can easily rotate it 360 degrees and you can use it as a tablet mode if you need so. Latest 10th generation of X1 2-in-1 is the lightest 2-in-1 we built on X1 family. It weighs just 1.35 kilogram and it's made from really sustainable materials, from at least 55% of recycled aluminum. It comes with touch screen by default, and those screens are really bright, 500 nit at least, and you can build a device with 2.8K OLED with 120 Hz refresh rate. It supports pen functionality, and this year pen is magnetically attached to the body. There is a little risk to lose that pen, as it's not a garaged pen, not inside the body, it's magnetically attached. But on the ergonomic feeling, it's a bigger pen, means for the user it's much easier to use the pen on the daily needs. Premium devices comes with premium features. So X1 2-in-1 generation 10 comes with all the possible ports for business user, so you wouldn't need any dongles. 8 megapixel camera plus infrared for your collaboration meetings. Computer vision sensors which automatically unlocks and locks the device, so the data at the device will definitely stay secure. At the same, this feature saves the battery. And ThinkShield security features, so the ThinkPads are ultra secure device for any business user.
As a quick reminder, I want to say that all the devices that we are talking here, ThinkPad X9 and ThinkPad X1 Aura Edition, have some special features like smart modes, smart care and smart share. If you haven't heard about them, please see our previous Lenovo Talks episodes where we present them. Aura Edition devices brings an extra features for our customers to enhance user satisfaction, productivity or security. But you know, that's not all. Lenovo has something even more unique.
Majority of our viewers knows about LLMs, which is the large language model, like the ChatGPT is LLM. Lenovo is highly investing in AI field, and we introduce our local large language model, what we call Lenovo AI NOW. Lenovo AI NOW is an AI assistant which can work on next generation AI Lenovo devices, which has an NPU performing with at least 40 TOPS. So AI NOW this year can run both on X1 and X9 series devices. Any user can use AI NOW as a personal assistant to answer any questions user has. AI NOW can easily find any document on your device. At the same time, it can summarize any document you load. And you know what's the best? AI NOW works on your device. It doesn't send the information to the cloud, meaning that the data stays absolutely secure on your device. And that's actually the future, because the data risk in AI development is something what we call the biggest challenge, and we see that the data security is something what slows the development of AI in the industry. And Lenovo actually is prepared for that future. We already have a model that's running on your device without a need to get connected to the internet.
So now we see those new ThinkPads X1 and X9 are representing totally new architecture and some additional AI next generation features like battery lifetime capabilities. I encourage everyone to test it out. you will able to see that you can use those as a smartphone and you can charge it only once per day.
We see that ThinkPad X1 and ThinkPad X9 Aura Edition are today's executive level devices ready for AI future. Stay tuned for the next episodes.